It's always a great idea to make sure you remember where you put stuff. Let me grab my little... Yeah. Remember where you put stuff. Where is it? Make sure you remember where you put stuff. It's always a great idea to make sure you remember where you put stuff.
The door, what am I?
All right, so if you need any parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description.
And I'm going to show you how to do an and one right there that are very. We're going to be taking out the center dash faceplate. We're going to be doing something super cool.
Your videos are far by. I don't have my glasses on for one. I have really, I can't read this. 1A mechanics, your videos are far. Shailonda writes, your videos are by far. Your videos are far. 1A mechanics? Shut up! I'm mad.
Now that we're at this step, we're just going to take off this rubber boot, set it aside on the floor. What are you doing? Oh, here we go.
We can just grab the fuse with this fuse puller. This is one of the larger fuses. See if we can pull this out. We'll try one of these smaller fuses. This cover goes on like this. Slides down and locks in place. Oh. Put the key back. Let me put this back here. All right.
Set this aside so we don't lose it. Just gonna give the motor a little bonk.
How you doing? I'm Mike from 1A Auto. This is a, what is this, Christian? How you doing? Mike from 1A Auto. 2013 or 11 or something, probably the same.
Oh, reinstall this vapor barrier. Sorry.
Oh my goodness!
So if you need this part or any other part for your car.
Oh no!
Woohoo!
How you doing? I have no idea. I'm gonna show you how to remove the door panel. If you need parts or any other parts, or this part or any other parts of that car, any car, this car. Okay, the first thing I'm gonna do is go home because I have no idea what I'm doing.
A little bit more. Woo!
Hello, kids. Today we are going to read some books.
Hey, friends. We get friends from all over the... We get thankful...
Sorry. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there.
Yeah. 1A Auto, baby! Woohoo! Will you stop following me? Go do your own videos. Get to it. Hashtag.